In 2021, the UK government put out the call to small businesses to help lead the charge in reducing their carbon footprint. They put the target for small businesses to reach net zero emissions by 2050. The way to start is to calculate and track your current carbon footprint and then try to reduce it. In this video, we will discuss how Cim50 and Cim200 could encourage sustainability by using their carbon footprint tracker and the carbon emissions dashboard. The carbon footprint calculator helps businesses to know their carbon impact. It's a new feature for the systems being released in late 2024, and it helps you to calculate emissions generated from your manufacturing processes. You can get analysis about emissions from vehicles, machines, and processes. You can then start to track that data as you make changes in the business and see what impact that has had. The carbon footprint calculator can be used in two different ways: simple mode and complex mode. Simple mode requires fittingly simple data: fuel bills, the carbon cost of purchased items, and the types of fuel that you are using. Complex mode, however, allows you to go more in-depth and enter a variety of extra details, such as vehicle mileage and machine fuel usage. After a works order is closed, the system, using one of these two methods, works out a carbon cost for the processes. The carbon cost is then defined in kg CO2e, or kilograms of equivalent CO2. Once a works order has been completed, details of its carbon emissions can then be seen in the carbon emissions dashboard. This takes data from Cim50 or Cim200, and then using the carbon tracking calculator, works out a final value which is then displayed here. You can track emissions by vehicle, machine, or process, and then use the dashboard to see where your largest emissions have come from. This would then tell you where you need to make efforts to reduce your carbon footprint. By continually reviewing this data, you can then see what impact your efforts are having. The carbon footprint calculator and the carbon emissions dashboard are great tools within Cim50 and Cim200 that help you to work towards a more sustainable future. If you would like to learn more about Cim50 or Cim200, then please use the links in the description. Or you can get in touch with our experts directly. You can email us at inquiries@solutionscloud.uk or call us on 0115 840 5075.